You have to root for the home team.
Lock. We have to, but we also, I should get the red pom-pom too, because we want to say may the best team win. We really are just excited in general here.
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Okay, what everyone can agree on is LocknLock.
Yes.
And everyone can agree on having a domed container in a square storage set. A set of 4 for a fantastic sale price that works out to $5.99 each. Your easy payment, $7.99, gets this home. Here's what you're going to get. I'll show you right over here because I want you to see all 4 of them together.
Perfect.
So this is the 4 that you're going to get. These are 4 7 1/4 cup square containers, and they all have the dome lid. And yes, of course, they do all have your famous LocknLock seal. Everything we know and love from LocknLock: dishwasher, freezer, refrigerator, microwave, safe. Now, we have over 35 plus colors that have sold out, but we have 5 really beautiful colors still remaining for you, and that means you get a great sale price and free shipping and handling. This is your clear option. We also have this available for you in your slate. Then we have red for you, and again, you get 4, but we're just showing 1 to represent the color. Here's your spearmint. And your last color available is that beautiful denim blue. It's last call, only 300 remain. So please place your order right now for your set of 4. And Janine, we're looking at a fantastic sale price. The price at the end of the day is going back up to the QVC price of $28. So get them now when it's $23.98.
So you guys love these, and for good reason. They started because of the hamburger and hot dog buns. You wanted somewhere to house those where they wouldn't get smashed. So that's why we gave you the dome lid. These are 7 1/4 cup capacity, so that's a total of 29 cups with all 4 pieces. Wow. And they stack really nicely. Now, these are air, oh, here comes my buddy.
I can hear you now. I couldn't hear you earlier, but I can hear you now. I'm back inside where it's warm. I'm so happy to be inside.
I know, are you freezing?
It was so cold out there.
We need to get you a nice big fuzzy blanket.
I'm glad they're playing the big game in a warm place because otherwise they'd be in trouble.
Warm,
oh my God. So airtight, watertight. And here I have some steaks that are marinating, and you can see that liquid, but you can also see it's not getting on the table. It's not spilling. And these are great to marinate in. Anything that has a gravy, a sauce, you're gonna love it with LocknLock. Now here I have tomato pie. So maybe you're stacking in layers, your tomato pie, your brownies, your lemon bars. It could be your cookies, right? Now stack more in here. We put a layer of wax paper in between. And you're able to do that.
And you see how it just goes a little bit over the lip, but if I had a flat lid, that would be crushing everything.
Absolutely.
So the dome lid is perfect, whether you do have something that's really spilling over or you just have a little tiny bit. This is great.
Here
now,
I have,
really popular, Janine, but some of you are picking up more than 1, which at this price, I don't blame you.
You guys love these, so, and for good reason. So here I have this spring pea mixed salad, right? You've got a little bacon in there.
Delicious.
So think about your potato salad and your macaroni salad, right? You could put that in here. You could put a big tossed salad in here. So all of the different things that you'll be able to pile high in here is really nice. Then I know we just saw the grill, so it's grilling season coming up, and a lot of people grill year-round. How about your prep? So here's some sausage and peppers.
Oh, that's
But maybe it's your hot dogs and your hamburgers or your steak or your kebabs that you're going to put in here. You're going to take them out raw in this, and then with one of the other ones, you're going to bring them back inside the house cooked, right? Out at the grill, which is a really nice idea. So you're able to do that. And I love that.
Clip on that cover, it can keep everything a little bit warmer, keep all the juices in there. It's so delicious.
Yes, please.
You're looking at the beautiful red, but I just brought over this denim blue because we are last call now. Only 200 now to go around. Over 1,000 orders have been placed at this sale price, $7.99. Let me quickly show you the other color options, and then we'll talk more. I love this.
Please,
That's
go ahead.
amazing.
The colors, I mean, we're down to the end here.
We're down to the end. I mean, originally we had, I think, something like 40 colors or maybe 45. So these have been so popular, but these are the colors we bring the most in of, so you have the most options to pick them up. And now, you get them at a sale price where others did not get that sale price. This is the set of 4 clear. It has that blue seal. Here's your slate. That's your gray choice. And your red. The red has a nice little bit of opacity to it, so you can kind of see, or transparency, excuse me, so you can kind of see a little bit through there. It's great. Then we have the spearmint for you. Also starting to get a little bit limited in that spearmint. And then remember, denim blue, 100 left now, so that one's gonna go. Free shipping and handling saves you, so you have just your price. Now, Janine, let's talk about your other ideas.
Yeah, so it's game day, and we're all excited for later on today, most of us, right? So here we have this layered Mexican dip. It's so nice because you can get so much in here. You have the layering here. Now, if you don't have this for today, you're going to have it for the next game day, and you're going to have it for the next party, and you're going to put your dips in here. So here I have the Mexican dip. You could put the pizza dip in here. The buffalo dip can go in here. Your Reuben dip. Should I keep going? Because I'm a big fan of a dip, okay? I love to dip. I love to just pick, you know, at parties. That's my favorite thing.
2,000 order just in this show alone.
A pretty charcuterie. So you could do your meats and cheeses. You could do a crudité in here. How about just your fruits in here? You could put your grapes, your strawberries, and all of your fruit can go in here because everything is so expensive right now, food.
Right.
We had one just, he just rolled away. There you go. We just want to make sure everything stays fresher longer for you, and that's what LocknLock does because we are airtight, watertight, BPA free, dishwasher, freezer, and microwave safe. So feel safe to heat and eat out of here.
I'm so glad you said that because right now we're talking about how gorgeous these are, how useful they're going to be, but don't forget at the heart of LocknLock is saving you money because you are going to have fresher food longer.
Yes.
So put your charcuterie in here, and when you've eaten most of it, put the cover back on, lock that airtight seal, and you are absolutely good to go for much longer. So you're saving yourself money when it comes to LocknLock. For cleaning, can I put these in the dishwasher?
For cleaning, these can go into the dishwasher, so that's really nice. And then if you want to bring a meal to a friend, look at this. We've got pasta with a bunch of chicken parm on top. So maybe it's the church social, maybe it's just going to a friend's house. You can do all of that. You could put a quiche in here. You could put a smaller pie in here. A lot of things you can do, all your desserts. You're gonna love these.
These are fantastic. 2,500 orders placed. We have it for you. We'll take you through the colors one more time. Here's your clear set of 4, so it works out to $5.99 each. Your easy pay is $7.99, under $8 to get these home. Here's your slate, your red, here's your spearmint option, and I gotta take away the denim blue. It is now sold out. Janine, thank you so much for being here.
All right, have a good day.
Janine's trying to...
May the best team win. Have a good one.
May the best team win. Thank you so much, Janine.
Bye.